Yeah, go ahead. But
who wants candies? Who wants candies?
We gotta get some really fast.
Who wants candies? Molly's so excited she fell down, right? Whoa, look at this guys. This thing's stuffed with candies. Who wants candies? Dora? Hey, what do you want, buddy? There's too many to pick from, right? Dora? Oh, you got the tractors? This one, Molly. You want Dora or Shark Bites?
what kind did you get, Jack? Show Mommy.
Dora? Here you go. Hey, Dora. Get some cup.
You'd think these kids never get candy.
Yeah. All right, sit down. Come here, Jack. Sit down, Molly. Up. There you go. Any trades for you, Molly? No trade offers? Alrighty. Look at all that. Do you want to trade anything with Molly?
No.
Okay. Alright, go watch Dora.
Okay.
Be careful, Molly. Let me carry it for you? Come on. Up. Let's get your couch. Hopefully she's letting me hang on to the rest of it. Here you go, Molly.
Out.
Here you go. Sit on your couch. Alright. Well.
Our nightly ritual. What are you guys watching? Dora, yeah, not Elmo, Molly. What's Dora doing tonight, Jack?
What's Dora doing tonight, buddy? What's she looking for? For what? For the new ones? New one what? New books?